All right, so you're going to learn about the scientific method, and you're also going to do an experiment as you're learning. So this scientific method little lesson is split up into 7 mini lessons. You're going to take notes, and then you're going to do a mastery check. The majority of the mastery checks are you actually performing your experiment. So make sure you have your 1.3 notes, and make sure you have 3 blank pieces of paper. So you can go to the back table, and you should see a stack of just like plain white printer paper. Grab 3 of those. Or if you just have notebook paper in your notebook, you can use 3 pieces of paper. So again, you need your notes, and you need 3 pieces of paper. All right, so what is the scientific method? So the scientific method is the basic steps that scientists follow in uncovering facts and solving scientific problems. It's a plan for solving a problem. So basically, scientists see something or think about something, and they're curious about why it happens. And then they have to follow these steps in order to scientifically figure out what the cause of that is. So let's look at the steps. So the first step is to make an observation or ask a question, right? You're going to see something that makes you curious. And you're going to ask questions about it. So that's the first thing. You have to have something that you're trying to figure out why it's happening. Next, you're going to develop a hypothesis. And a hypothesis is basically an educated guess. So based off of like prior knowledge or some research, why do you think this is happening? And then you're going to design an experiment. So then you're going to design an experiment to test your hypothesis. You're going to collect data from your experiment, and then you're going to analyze it. Then you'll have a conclusion. So your conclusion will be, was your hypothesis right or wrong? And then you're going to have communication. And communication is where you make a report and you share that with people, right? We find out something new and we want to share it with people. That's how we know what gravity is. Someone did experiments, figure out what it was, and share that information, right? That's how we know some bacteria, not all, bacteria can make you sick. Things like that, right? People have done experiments, made observations, made a report, and they've shared that information out. All right, so now go ahead and move on to the 0.3a mastery check.